This is the Indoor Smart Ceramic Space Heater. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it came packaged very nicely and arrived safely, and you can see me unboxing it right up here. Inside the package, you are going to get obviously the space heater itself, the instruction manual, a quick start guide, and QR codes and a guide on where you can find the HavaWorks app, because this is a smart device that can be controlled not only via the top panel, but also via the app, Alexa, and Google Home on a 2.4 gig Wi-Fi network. This is a PTC ceramic heater, so it heats up quickly, and it is portable and compact enough to fit under a desk at work, and it has a sleek modern design in my opinion, so it should blend right in any room. It is 16 inches tall, 5.5 inches across the front, and 5.5 inches deep, and it weighs in at a lightweight 3 pounds and 4 ounces. The power cord is about 6 foot long, so plenty of room there, and it has an easy to read LED display panel. Sometimes my camera makes the display wobbly, but it is totally fine on the front of the panel here, just so you know. Going over the panel on top, we have a power button. There are 4 different modes to choose from. On H2 mode, it runs as a 1500 watt heater, so it kicks it out pretty good. On H1 mode, it runs as a 900 watt heater. On Eco mode, you can set the temperature to anything you want using the plus and minus buttons, from 41 degrees all the way up to 95 degrees, and it will shut off when it reaches your desired temperature. And in the last mode, it runs as fan only. And you can hear that it's pretty quiet with the noise level measuring in around 36 decibels. Perfect for the workshop. The unit has built-in overheat protection, anti-tip protection. You can see right here when you pick it up, the unit shuts off because it has an anti-tip device on here, which may or may not work on thick carpet. I've yet to test that out because I don't have any really thick carpet here, but it does work on my carpet. It has a 24-hour auto off and built-in dual fuse protection. There's kind of a thin filter on here. You can take off and clean if you want. It keeps any large particles from getting in there. And another protection feature is this button on top here that doubles as a timer and child safety lock. You press and hold the timer button down, it goes into child safety lock mode. Press and hold it again, and it turns the child safety lock off. All of the features on top here can be accessed via the app, but if you want to use the timer button here, you just press it and you can set it using the plus or minus buttons all the way up to 12 hours. The button on the left turns on the oscillation mode, and that gives us 70 degrees of coverage. And if we want to stop it, just press it again. And back to the power button. When you turn it off using the power button, it goes into a 30-second countdown before powering itself off completely. So there you go. Great looking, lightweight, and powerful space heater with smart features. Very nice.